I think open education for me is an enabler. It feels like the most, should I say, modern or natural way to go about education nowadays. That is what I think open education is for me. In Slovenia, we have started this thing which we call Opening Up Slovenia. We have a two-folded or two-way approach. We call it bottom-up and top-down. So bottom-up means that we've been able to channelize different stakeholders from the educational system into one group, or should we say think tank, initiative called Opening Up Slovenia. So that's a bottom-up approach. What we've managed to do is to connect that with the Ministry of Education, which in return is a driving force for the top-down side of it. So a combination of bottom-up and top-down it feels as a perfect way to go about open education. I think, so in terms of open education, but also openness in general, right? This openness of Europe, it feels like a very interesting answer to the political realities of what is going on in the world. So different kind of walls being built up. So the notion of open appeals to me as one of the principles of the European Union or the European Commission. So in that sense, I think the workshop is a very good starting point for what seems to be lacking now, that is an intellectual debate, right, with a hands-on approach. And that is something this workshop is actually trying to achieve. And that's why I like it, and I like the people that are here. I like the way they're expressing themselves. And I think they should also try to be a bit more out of the box, not really try to design policies that would answer today's questions, but also speculate about policies that could answer tomorrow's questions.